been months since I last touched this car, and give it a nice quick little wash. We're gonna be taking it on a nice little POV drive today, and for some reason my tires tend to deflate once I leave the car sitting for an extended period of time. So we're gonna have to go to the gas station, put some E85, put air in the tires, and then we're gonna go ahead and go on a quick little photo shoot with the new Race Legacy drop that I'm super hyped for. It's E85 themed, stickers, jet tags, shirts, etc. I'm actually quite excited to drive this thing. Wow. Yeah, my tire is definitely low though. Gonna let it warm up a little bit and then we can start doing some pulls. Check out the front lip. I think this is kind of why I'm always breaking them. Look how low. Oh, one finger from breaking it. But luckily we didn't, you know, rip the tires up on the way here. So fill up with some air and let's get to driving. ¿Qué show? ¿Qué dices? Te he visto mucho por YouTube. Oh sí, saluda, estoy grabando ahorita. 4 años. ¿Cómo te llamas? Alex. Alex, salúdalos al YouTube mexicano. Honestly, I love when people just like come up to you just randomly. It happens every once in a while. Honestly, it kind of blows my mind. I'm just like, dude, people actually watch my stuff. I don't know. It's kind of cool, I guess. Currently E52. Hopefully that gets better as soon as we drive it. Oh my God. Oh yeah. That was a cop. So out here in SoCal, we're actually under Hurricane Hillary at the moment. Luckily, it's nothing crazy or extensive, but people were pretty much saying that it was going to be a really catastrophic hurricane out here in SoCal, which we've never had before, but it is a little bit wet. I got to take it easy. I don't want the car to slip or anything like that. drive this car, but every time I drive it, I know why I love it so much, and it's just because of like the feeling it gives you, bro. This car feels so raw. It's even like, it's more raw than the Evo, and that should tell you a lot, because if you've driven an Evo, you know how much of a go-kart it feels like. But this car is like, it has the heart of the Evo, but it's just like a much smaller chassis. It's almost like it feels lightweight. It just feels really good. Of course, the bucket seats, the cage, and you know, everything makes it feel more race car-ish. But there's something so cool about this car that I feel like only if you drive it, you'd be able to understand. Or I'm sure like other DSMers know what I'm talking about, but this one specifically always like makes me feel like super happy and nervous, because I don't know if it's gonna break. But honestly, it hasn't broken on me in the last like 2 years, and I think that's mainly because I haven't really driven it. But I think I just enjoy this car to sit a lot more. Like I think I enjoyed working on it a lot more than I did driving it. I do enjoy driving it, don't get me wrong, but I'd rather not if I don't have to, you know. And like a drive like this, honestly, it's like, it's so relieving, because I don't drive this car at all. So when I do drive it, it feels crazy, because as you guys know, if you drive a car too often, you kind of get bored of it, or you kind of get used to it, right? So even though we're not at the full power right now, it feels fast to me, especially compared to the RSX, right? But look at this, hear it. Boost with her, bro. So much for washing this thing. R.I.P. This is what happens when you have a hurricane in SoCal. Alright, so I wanted to come out here because this is where I do my cinematic photo shoots. I'm gonna go ahead and do one for Race Legacy, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out in the link in the description. This is an E85 theme drop only limited run, and of course we have the corn, because you guys know ethanol is made out of corn, so technically it's a fuel efficient, or it's a world friendly car, if that makes sense. I'm not a gross polluter. I'm actually using ethanol, so you know, keep it safe, convert your cars to E85 and enjoy the cinematics.